Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Roblox error. Your access to voice chat has been suspended for violating our community rules. Now we have two solutions here to fix this problem. The first solution, you just have to wait for your suspension to expire. So basically, it takes up to 7 days, up to 30 days until it expires. So if your account is suspended, then you can't basically use the voice chat on your Roblox and you just need to wait until it expires. Now, the second solution here that we're going to use or we're going to do to basically fix this error is by contacting the Roblox support. You can go to the search box and type Roblox support, and you can go to the main page right here. As you can see, so if you're suspended without any reason, you just need to tell or just need to write a description about your error. Then let the Roblox support fix the problem for you. As you can see here on the descriptions of issues, you just need to tell the exact information about the error. And basically, if you want to check the status of your suspension, you just need to go to Roblox website, and basically, if you're going to your settings at the top right hand corner, you will find here your account info. So you will see here if your voice chat is enabled or available to use on your game. So that's it. That's how you basically fix Roblox error. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.